Hey everyone, welcome to Soap Trend. We hope that everybody is doing well. We have some sad news to share with you all in today's video. In this video, we present you with the news of our favorite TV show Young and the Restless. Kate Linder aka Esther of Young and the Restless is hospitalized. Do watch this video till the end to know everything. We are wishing Kate Linder Esther a speedy recovery. The fan favorite ended up with minor injuries after she was assisting her mother, who has her own physical issues. Linder was hospitalized for a brief stint and also underwent physical therapy and is expected to head back to work soon. Linder told the magazine, "I am so grateful to my incredible doctors, nurses and physical therapists for taking such a good care of me. I want to thank my mom, my friends and my YNR family for their outpouring of good wishes and support." Linder has played the role of Esther since 1982. She earned a star on the Hollywood Walk of Fame because of her role in the soap opera. Her other acting credits include Lights Out, Hysteria, Erased, Voice from the Stone, and Eco Boomers. Kate Linder is an American actress who is best known for his role as Esther Valentine on The Young and the Restless, which she has played since 1982. The actress was born on November 2, 1947. Linder was born in Pasadena, California and graduated with a BA in Theater Arts from San Francisco State University. During that time, she also began working as a flight attendant for the Trans-America Airlines. After graduation, Linder found work on television, including roles on Archie Bunker's Place and Bay City Blues. In 1982, she was cast as Esther Valentine on CBC soap opera, The Young and the Restless. In addition to her work on television, Linder serves as a flight attendant for the United Airlines. Linder has been starring on The Young and the Restless for more than 35 years now and is also one of the 2 daytime governors at the Academy of Television Arts and Sciences, who present the Emmys. Linder is also the national spokesperson for the ALS Association and is active with TV Cares, ATAS's AIDS fundraising and awareness organization, the Make-A-Wish Foundation, and national spokesperson for March of Time Canada's conductive education program. For her contributions in television, Linder earned a star on the Hollywood Walk of Fame. She is the 3rd actor to earn a star on the Walk of Fame solely on the merits of acting on a soap opera, after Gene Cooper and 2005 honoree Susan Lucy. In the 2000s, after 30 years in daytime, Linder made her film debut, starring in a number of independent productions such as Hysteria and Erased. On April 30, 2018, Kate Linder appeared in a 30-minute television interview talk show with host Ken Boxer on Ken Boxer Live, taped in Santa Barbara, California. Now let's talk about some of the YNR spoilers. Noah Newman is returning to Genoa City after Victor Newman and Adam Newman convince him to work for Newman Media. When that happens, he will most likely be working with Sally Spectra. He'll be on the Sally's radar, whether it's as a new love interest or just to provoke Adam. She will be disappointed with Adam because he'll put on the brakes on their budding relationship. So she may want to antagonize him by moving on with the new guy in town. Aslan Locke reveals shocking past. Aslan Locke will make a shocking revelation about his past. He will explain that he covered up his history because he didn't want people to know that he had a poor childhood, an abusive father, and a mother who tolerated violence in their home. He finally decided to leave their home at the age of 16 because he couldn't take it anymore. He moved around a lot and had to work odd jobs to survive. He cut ties with his past for good by changing his name to Aslan Locke. It was Camellia Rhodes who helped him find his passion, which paved the way for him to build his empire. It seems like the confession will become too much for Aslan to handle. He will turn down Victoria Newman's suggestion to call a doctor even if he's struggling to breathe, and says he just needs some rest. How will Victoria react to Aslan's bombshell? So this much for today's video. We hope you liked it. We will deliver more news of Young and the Restless as it comes in. We will have all the burning Young and the Restless spoilers, updates and news you are looking for. So visit us regularly. Thank you for checking this video out. We will see each other very soon with another video. If you like this video, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for new videos every day. If you have anything to say, do let us know in the comment section below. We'll make sure to reply to your comments.